Hi, I'm Surak Ramachandran. A warm welcome to the 14th episode of my YouTube channel, Office English. If you have already subscribed to my channel, how are you doing today? If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe today.
As you know, normally I start with an introduction like that and get into an animated explainer video to describe the lessons. This time too, I shall do that, but thought to have an extended session with me talking about what the whole world is talking about now. That is coronavirus. Coronavirus is a family of viruses that causes illnesses like Middle East Respiratory Syndrome or MERS, Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome SARS, and so on. By now, I used two terms, MERS and SARS, which are related to the disease. This episode is dedicated to COVID-19 related terms and hope it will be useful to you.
The first 12 episodes are placed in 3 lessons: Getting Started playlist, English Varieties playlist, and Office Online playlist. The previous video on corporate humor and this video on COVID-19 related terms are placed in the lesson Beyond Office playlist. Understanding the COVID-19 related terms is needed for you, your co-workers, and family. Hence, thought to have a dedicated episode for COVID-19 and hope you will find this useful. Case fatality rate is the ratio of deaths from COVID-19 to the total number of patients identified with the disease. Clinical trial is the research experiments on humans for finding a vaccine. Community spread is the spread of the disease in an area with no knowledge of how someone got the disease. Contact tracing is identifying who all had contact with patients. Coronavirus is a family of viruses that include SARS and MERS. COVID-19 stands for Novel Coronavirus Disease 2019, which refers to the year of its original detection. Epidemic is a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in an area. Flattening the curve is an attempt to prevent a steep rise of cases so that the healthcare system is not overburdened. Index patient or patient zero is the first person infected with a disease in an epidemic. These were some of the basic terms that came to our vocabulary after COVID-19. Since the knowledge of more terms related to COVID-19 will be useful, let us examine some more. SARS-CoV-2 is the official name of the virus that causes COVID-19. PPE, expanded as personal protective equipment, refers to any gear necessary to minimize a person's exposure to harmful materials that could cause illness. Gloves, full body suits, protective eyewear, and so on. Symptomatic is when a person shows signs of illness. Asymptomatic is when a person shows no signs of illness but still can spread the disease. Communicable diseases are those that can be spread from one person to another. Have you come across any other terms related to COVID-19? Please add them as a comment to this video. Now, I would like to speak about a film based on a virus disease. I have talked about films earlier too in this channel. Those were to help you learn English from them. This time, I am recommending a film with a bigger objective. This film is about a pandemic occurrence due to a virus. It is a 2011 released film named Contagion. In the next 5 slides, I will use 6 COVID-19 related terms I spoke earlier. Contagion shows the occurrence of a communicable virus disease. It began as an epidemic and quickly became a pandemic. The reason was that the index patient traveled with that disease internationally. Community spread happened and the social order also got affected. Contact tracing took place and it helped in checking the spread. Hope you were able to notice the terms that I used which were explained earlier. The film shows that apart from the virus, how our society handles it is a concern. The film shows examples of collective social behavior of people. Unauthorized theories spread by some people creates fear and panic. The film received positive reviews from scientific communities too. I recommend you watch this film as it will lead you to better understandings. Please click the subscribe button and then the notification bell for latest videos in my channel. If you like my videos, please click the like button. That's all in this episode. Stay safe. Bye for now.